In this video, we will solve problems from exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Express each of the following as a sum or difference. Question number 1. Sine 35 degrees cos 28 degrees. We have to express this in the form of a sum or difference. So we will be using the first identity here. So this can be rewritten with A as 35 degrees and B as 28 degrees. So this becomes half sine 35 plus 28 degrees plus sine 35 minus 28 degrees. Further, 35 plus 28 is sine 63 degrees plus sine 7 degrees. That's the answer. The second question is sine 4x cos 2x. We'll be again using the same formula, which is sine A cos B is equal to half sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So this is our A is 4x, B is 2x. So it's equal to half of sine A plus B, which is 4x plus 2x, plus sine A minus B, which is 4x minus 2x. So this is equal to half of sine 6x plus sine 2x. Question number 3. 2 sine 10 theta cos 2 theta will be equal to 2 times, again we will use the same formula. So we leave the 2 outside, and then for sine 10 theta into cos 2 theta, we will have 1 by 2 into sine A plus B, which is 10 theta plus 2 theta plus sine 10 theta minus 2 theta. The 2 and 2 will become cancelled, so you will be left with sine 12 theta plus sine 8 theta. Question number 4. We have cos 5 theta and cos 2 theta. So for this we will be using the third formula. So this is equal to half into our A is 5 theta, B is 2 theta. So cos A plus B would be 5 theta plus 2 theta plus cos 5 theta minus 2 theta, because it's A minus B. So your answer will be half of cos 7 theta plus cos 3 theta. Then question number 5. That's sine 5 theta and sine 4 theta. So we'll be using the last formula for this. So that's equal to half of our A here is 5 theta, B is 4 theta. So cos 5 theta minus 4 theta minus cos 5 theta plus 4 theta. So that's equal to half of cos theta minus cos 9 theta. Question number 2. Express each of the following as a product. So let's take the first one, which is sine 75 degrees minus sine 35 degrees. So for this we will use the second formula here. So that's equal to, so our A is 75 degrees and C is 75 degrees and D is 35 degrees. So this is equal to 2 times cos A, C plus D, so 75 plus 35 degrees will be equal to 110 degrees divided by 2, and cos 75 minus 35 degrees will be 40 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 2 times cos 55 degrees and cos 20 degrees. Question number 2, which is cos 65 degrees plus cos 15 degrees. So we'll be using the third formula here. So that's equal to 2 times cos, let's just put the values as it is, 65 degrees plus 15 degrees divided by 2 into cos 65 degrees minus 15 degrees divided by 2. So that's equal to 2 times cos 65 plus 15 degrees will be 80 divided by 2 will be 40 degrees, and cos 65 minus 15 will be 50 degrees divided by 2 will be 25 degrees. Then question number 3, sine 50 degrees plus sine 40 degrees. So this will be using the first formula. So that's equal to 2 times sine 50 degrees plus 40 degrees divided by 2 into cos 50 degrees minus 40 degrees divided by 2. So that's equal to 2 times sine 90 by 2 will be 45 degrees, 10 by 2 will be 5 degrees, cos 5 degrees. Question number 4, cos 35 degrees minus cos 75 degrees. We'll be using the last formula for this. So that's equal to 2 times of sine 35 degrees plus 75 degrees divided by 2 into sine, our d will come first, so it will be 75 degrees minus 35 degrees divided by 2, and that's equal to 2 times of sine 35 plus 75 degrees will be 110 degrees divided by 2 will be 55 degrees, and sine 40 by 2 will be 20 degrees. Question number 3. Show that sine 12 degrees, sine 48 degrees, sine 54 degrees is equal to 1 by 8. So let's take the left hand side here. That's equal to sine 12 degrees, sine 48 degrees, sine 54 degrees. Okay, now the formula that we'll be using is sine A sine B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus of cos A plus B. Right. So let's take the first two terms and let's apply this formula onto it. So this becomes 1 by 2 into cos A minus B. Let's take our A as 48 degrees. Let A is equal to 48 degrees and B is equal to 12 degrees. So this becomes 48 minus 12 will be 36 degrees minus cos A plus B, 12 plus 48 will be 60 degrees into sine 54 degrees. Okay, now we know that sine 60 is equal to 1 by 2, so this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 36 degrees minus 1 by 2, and our sine 54 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees minus 36 degrees, which is equal to cos 36 degrees. So this is cos 36 degrees. So further simplifying this, this becomes half of cos squared 36 degrees, moving the cos 36 inside the bracket, minus half into half will become 1 by 4 cos 36 degrees. and your cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So these are the formulas that we are using here. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 the whole squared minus 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Further expanding this will become 1 by 32. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Then within bracket, root 5 plus 1 the whole squared will become root 5 squared, that is 5, plus 1 squared 1, plus 2 times of 1 into root 5. So it will be 2 times root 5 minus 4 into 4 will be 16. So 1 by 16. Within bracket you have root 5 plus 1. Now this is nothing but 1 by 32 into 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 times root 5 minus 1 by 16 into root 5 plus 1. Now simplifying this term, removing the common terms, you can rewrite this as 1 by 16 into 3 plus root 5 minus 1 by 16 into root 5 plus 1. So this further simplifying will become 1 by 16 common into 3 plus root 5 minus root 5 minus 1, removing the bracket and changing the signs here. So this becomes root 5 and root 5 will get cancelled. So 1 by 16 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 8, and that's equal to our RHS. Hence the proof. Thank you for watching Maths Tutorial Anand. Please like, and you can comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.